clearly this machine has different shape, and this one is produced by this machine. You can see here, this is a profile, and this is a product is produced by it. And for my right side is this gutter. Here is the profile product type which is produced by it. Here is because our machine is customized, so we can use our machine according to your request. You just ask your profile drawing, which is the product type that we will use the machine for you. Okay. Now let's start to introduce this machine. For this machine is equipped with few parts. From the beginning is the feeding table. After feeding table, it will go for the reforming station. After reforming, then it will go for the cutting device. And normally, for most of the machine, it will include these three parts: feeding table, reforming machine, and cutting device. Right? Okay. Next, I will introduce one by one. We can go for the cutting device first. Here, we equip with the hydraulic cutting system. And here is the hydraulic oil pump. The pump gives the power to the oil tank, and the tank will give the power to the cutting blade. And here is the cutting blade. The materials of the cutting blade is chrome trap MOV. It's chrome trap MOV. Because these materials have a long service and very good hardness. So normally for this cutter, it will use for more than 3 years. It won't change things. And also this blade is no need to change. Of course, if you want to get more across a pair of the cutters, it's no problem. Just tell us, then we will give you extra cutters, extra blade. Okay, this is the cutting blade. And all the power is come from the oil pump. Here is equipped with 4 kilowatts oil pump. Okay. So all your orders is controlled by this PLC control system. PLC control system is as below, and here is the cutting screen. You can see for this part screen is very simple and easier. Below is the manual control. Manual control, which means you can press this button manually. Right by hand. So when you press the ring, which is here is the shows the forward, which means the materials will be come out. Then reverse, then the product will be go back. And here is called the oil pump on and off. Because if you want to start cutting this product, you have to on the oil pump first. Then after you on the oil pump, then you will have the energy. Then have the power to give the oil pump. And for this one is the emergency stop button. For any accident happen, you just press this one to avoid any accident. Below is all the electric cabinet, which I will show you guys. Just now is introduced for the cutting device. The next part is our the reforming station. Here, if you can see, here is our the reforming station. Okay. For the reforming station, we equip with 7 kilowatts of the motor and the reducer. Here is the motor is 7 kilowatts. The motor together connects it with the reducer, and here is the reducer. And the motor gives the power to the reducer, and the reducer will give the power to the shaft. Here is the shaft. If you can see clearly, the roller is very shiny and is turning very smooth. Because the roller we use is chrome trap. So we use the chrome trap. It's not enough for us to make the good product. On the surface, we also coat it with the hard chrome as well. After this one, after we coat with hard chrome, then we also make this is very shiny. Next one is the shaft. You can see the shaft, the materials of the shaft is number 45 steel. The materials of shaft is number 45 steel. In the international standard is ASTM 1045. And the diameter of the shaft is 70 millimeters. It's 70 millimeters. One more thing is you can see I turn this one is very smooth. Use my hands or even use my finger can remove it. The why this one is running so smooth because we use very good bearing. Here is the bearing. We use the very famous bearing, so that's why it's easy to turning. We use the good bearing also in other ways. It can help the customer save their energy, save the power as well. Okay, here is the reforming station. For this one, it has the total is 22 roller station. 22 roller station. If you can see here, for one roller station, it have two rollers. One is upper and one is downer. One is upper and one is downer. If you check, if you see clearly, all the roller station it will have the one pair roller station. Okay. Let's move to the beginning. The beginning side is our feeding table. Here is our feeding table. Okay. If you can see the feeding table, it have the fuel, including fuel parts as well. Here is our pre-cutter. Pre-cutter. This one is equipped our manually pre-cutter. So you just cut this one. Use your hands like this. Then the fuel course will be cut. And after so when you start going to forming the materials, then you need to put the materials here and here and put it here. Here have the four wells. When you turn it, then adjust the width of this feeding table to make sure the width is match the raw materials width. So like this, then make sure the raw materials won't not move to the right side or left side. If you can see clearly here, also got the small roller. The small roller you can see is turning smooth as well. The function of the small roller is just make sure the raw materials is smooth. Okay. Because sometimes your raw materials width will be different. Then you just need to turn this valve to adjust the width. Then make sure it will match the raw materials. Okay, this is the feeding table. Normally after the raw materials normally the raw materials from the feeding table it will go for the reforming station. You can see at this side it's driving by chain. Here is the chain. It's a 1.5 inch chain. 1.5 inch chain. Of course, if you can see clearly, the chain is only the down roller. The up roller don't have any power, so it's only the down roller is moving, having the power to move, to turn. This is the whole part of this reforming reforming machine. This machine is suitable material is 0.3 to 0.8 millimeters, and the working speed can reach 8 to 15 meters per minute. Okay, let's move to the beginning, the ending side. The ending side is the finish side. So the materials from the beginning is the materials from the beginning is the feeding table. After that is your bottom station. After that it will come out the cutting device. Then you set everything. You set everything from your you set everything from the distributor. Then it will running automatically. For this machine, it only need 1 or 2 work to be running it. It's very simple and easier. So just now is the manual. Then you just set your orders. You set your orders like how many pieces you want to cut. What is the working speed? And how long you want to cut, just set it here and then press start button, then this machine will running automatically. Okay, thanks for your watching. One more time, is our machine is customized. So any part if you're not satisfied with our current materials, then you just tell us, and they will upgrade it according to your requirement. Okay, the prepared oil is also provided by you. Just give us your prepared oil, then they will make the machine for you. Okay, thanks for watching.